Hello. Yes. So this is the node 2 beginning Python basic. So print statement. We can understand what is the print statement. Whatever the things we try to print, we can use print statement. So this is the way how we can print something like print welcome to the Python, print this numerical value, then print numerical value as well as the string value. Then we can print the sum of two values like this. Then comment, we discuss about the comment. If you want to do the comment in a Python language, we can use hash. Otherwise we can use hello up. This one. Hmm. Yes, like this. See, if I just 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 a minute, like this. See, I just commented the above programs. Let me check. The other program is not activated. Fantastic. Just here print quotation mark 2 plus 3 equal to 2 plus 3. Actually, if I directly write 2 plus 3, it will do the summation of 2 plus 3. That is 5 is the result. But how we can know that what we are doing? That's why we are giving this statement. Under the double quote, it will print as it is. Just try to understand. I am going to delete this part. Only 2 plus 3. Fine. Shall I run this program? See this. It's directly give 5. But the result is showing 5. What is why it's showing 5? There is no indication what is 5. That's why we give double quote like this, and under double quote we put whatever we put under double quote, it will print as it is. See this, and then give a comma like this. Now execute the program. See, 2 plus 3 put equal to again under double quote like this, equal to, and then double quote. See, now if I run this program, oops, just under double quote 2 plus 3 and then equal to whatever we give under this, and 2 plus 3. See, now it's you understand why we put 2 plus 3 under double quote. You got no? So this is the print statement, and then comment statement is nothing but we whatever we want to comment means we want to put into the program, but we don't want to run. So we can use comment statement like see this. These are the programs we already written here, but we don't want to execute. So we put hash. Whenever we put hash in front of the program, in front of any line, it's commented. It doesn't participate into the program. Fine. After that, comment, then single line comment, double line comment, multi line comment like that. Then Python data structure, data type. There is so many data type like numerical data type, text data type, sequence data type, then set data type, mapping type, boolean type. See, hello, Akriti. Simply learning the Python will not useful. We can learn the Python by the use of Chat GPT. Got so Chat GPT now these days simply typing the program and mug up the program and try to execute is not useful. We can use Chat GPT as well as AI so that it will help to write the program. I'm going to show you. Hello, sorry. Can you repeat? Mapping type. So generally refers to applying a function to each item in an attribute like list and getting a new attribute typically with transform data. See, come to the just a minute. Sequence type, set type, mapping type. See, this is an example of mapping type. So this is a list of number. Got it? The square each number. I want to square each number. So this is the way we can write the program. Def square equal to x, return x into x. It means whatever the value we put under this number list of number, it will multiply by itself. X into x means we are giving instruction to the Python that x into x. X means this value. So whatever the value we put under the list, it will multiply itself. See, like this. Then we use squared equal to map squared number. This is the way we can use the map like this. We have to put map and then square and then number. See, I'm going to run this program like this. Yeah, square. So I'm going to make this comment. Okay. Now number equal to this is the list of number and then we want to make a square of this list of number. Fine. So diff we have to define a square equal to x, then return x into x, and then a squared equal to map a square number. So we are putting map a square number. Whatever instruction we are giving here, the Python will do the same work. Then print list square. This is square, and this is the list. This is the list, and this is the square. So under the list, we Python will do the square because we are doing instruction like this. So this is we can what I am trying to say that this is the way we can mug up the program. But these days people are not using this way. People are using the Chat GPT and AI to write the program. I'm going to show you how. First of all, and let me run this program. See, when I run this program, see, square of all these number 1 2 3 4 5, whenever it's multiplied by itself, it will become the square. 1 multiplied by 1 1, 2 multiplied by 2 it's become 4, 3 multiplied by 3 it become 9. This way it will make the square of the list of this number. So this is the way we can use the map function. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah. I can hear you. Actually, some network issue happened. That's why I lost the. So this is the manual way we can write the program in a Python. Got it? So, but these days manual way is not working. Let's suppose you want to write a program in a Python and you don't know anything about the Python. Then how we can write it? Is there any idea you have? Do you have any idea? So I'm going to give you idea so that you can easily achieve mastery in Python program. How we can do that? See this. Go to the Google, open Google, and then open the Chat GPT. Are you familiar with the Chat GPT? So Chat GPT, we can write anything. We can ask any formula. We can solve any error. We can solve any kind of problem come into the Python. Suppose you don't know, you don't understand anything about Python. So map under the Python. So just write here. I'm going to write here. Give example of map in Python. See, see. This is square each number in a list. Convert list of string to the integer using lambda with map. So this is the way we are using Python these days, not a manual way, because if you try to learn all the things and try to mug up all the things, it will not work, because every time you can forget it. Hello? Got it. So just go through all entire syllabus. Fine, whatever the syllabus I'm going to teach you, just go through it thoroughly. No need to mug up it. Fine, and then we can use ChatGPT to write our program, to learn our program. Whenever we face any problem, just go to the ChatGPT and we will solve it. Got it? Okay, so just simply whatever the syllabus I'm going to teach you, just go through it. No need to mug up it, and don't feel burdened that there is so many things and we are not going to understand. Just go through the syllabus. I will at the end of this program, you will know how to write the program in a Python, what is Python, why we are learning Python, and what is the benefit of it. Got it? So you can revise yourself. Just open the note and just try to revise it, and try to run this program. Like, yeah, try to run by yourself. Okay, and once you get the problem, just go to the Chat GPT and write like this. I write on the Chat GPT that give me example of map in a Python. See, so many examples are here. If I get some error, see, I'm going to create an error. Fine. Let's suppose I forgot this thing, a bracket here. So one error is showing in our program, correct? Hello. So I'm going to create an error. Let's see. Just run this program. So I just run this program. There is a error in the program. See, it doesn't execute it, right? So you don't know how to write a Python program, and you don't know how to solve the error in the program. Just copy all this error like this. Control C, copy, go to the Chat GPT and simply paste here. Whatever error comes here. See, I paste the entire error. Fine. And ask Chat GPT, uh, give solution of this error. See, now it will help you to solve the error also. You can easily, in a second, you can solve the error. See what it's saying, that you are missing closing parenthesis. We are missing this parenthesis. Now we can know that. Copy this parenthesis and paste in our program here. Fine. Now just delete this error and run the program. see, we get the answer, correct answer, right? So now you can easily understand how to write the program. If you get the error in a program, just copy the error and paste into the chat GPT and try to find it. Just give some time. Just try to analyze, try to solve it by yourself. Then you become master in Python. Got it? And don't feel burdened that you have a huge syllabus and you forget all the things. Just simply go through the entire syllabus, fine, and then we can learn the Python by using chat GPT, because by using chat GPT we can do all the things in the program. These days, no, none of the people write the program manually. These are the manual programming, so we are not going to learn programming manually, because manual programming is not working right now. Everybody is using chat GPT to write the program in a Python. Got it? So just go through the entire note, and whatever the issue you find, go to the chat GPT and try to learn from the chat GPT. Again, if you face the problem, then ask me. Otherwise your syllabus will not complete, it will take lots of time. uh, okay, just a minute. Now what about, what's now? It's here, no? You can hear. Fine. So learning Python with the chat GPT is the smarter way to learn the Python program, and these days nobody write the program manually. Got it? Just go through the entire syllabus, simply copy the programs and paste into the our Visual Studio and try to run it, and that's it. No use of it, because we can learn the Python by using chat GPT at the end. Fine. But I'm going to explain these things so that you will become familiar with the Python language overall, the complete things. Fine. So let's move for the NumPy, because these are the basic things. Fine. This is very basic things. So you can revise it by yourself and try to learn, run the program by yourself. If you face the issue, go to the chat GPT. Again, if you face the issue, ask me. Then come to me. Fine. So these are very basic things. There is nothing to learn so much. Fine. Okay. So now move for the NumPy, because NumPy is actually it's a very important topic. So let's move for that. Okay. Okay, fine. So okay, class. So you know why we use the NumPy and where we can use the NumPy? Hello. So where we can use the NumPy and why we can use the NumPy? Can you are you going to explain me here? Just I write a note. Matrix. Perfect. Perfect. Good. Perfect. 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 Basically, NumPy is used to solve the mathematical operation. Correct. Mathematical. There is no string value. NumPy library will not able to read the string value. It's only read the numerical value. Got it? First point. Got it? And which kind of mathematical operation it can do? It can do the matrix operation, the array operation, like that. So here, just read it. NumPy short form is NumPy is the short form for numerical Python. Is a powerful Python library used for numerical computation. Just simply, it's like numerical computation, especially when working with a large array matrix and multi-dimensional data. It forms the foundation of many data science, machine learning, scientific computing tools, and in Python. So NumPy library is useful to do the mathematical operation, but it is not useful to read the string value. Got it? So we already seen that how we can do the installation. You already installed, no? NumPy is already installed in you. And then how we can do the array operation and the matrix operation. Fine. And we can do the indexing and slicing, then array operation like this. After that, we already completed this thing. Then matrix product, how we can do the product of these two matrix like this. So we already seen this. These are very basic things. You should be familiar with these things and then move on, because whenever you get a good program, we can use ChatGPT. After that, we completed all the things. Then we have to um, okay, sort, unique, delete, insert. We already discussed all the things. Now we have a file handling using NumPy. We can use, let's suppose we have a file, or we want to create a file. So by using NumPy, we can create it. See this. File handling using NumPy in a Python typically involve reading from and writing to the file. Got it? If you want to read the file, we can read it using the NumPy. If you want to write something, we can write using NumPy. But we can read only numerical value, because NumPy is used for numerical value. And we can write only the numerical value. But string value is not useful. Hello? You got no? So let's move to the program. So np.load.text, np.save.text, it will load the data, it will save the data. np.genFormText, save data, like that. So just go through the first program. So np.load.text, reading from the text file. Let's suppose we have a file, and that is text file. You know what is text file? So yes, let's suppose you are familiar with the notepad, correct? Notepad, this is the notepad. No, notepad, here, this is the notepad, right? Yes. Whenever we open the notepad, and we create some data under the notepad, and we save by giving its name like this. Let's suppose we have a file here. Okay, our file name is data.text. Text, fine. So let's find it. Data.text. Data. I think I deleted the file. No problem. So just copy this program like this way, and write into our here. Okay. So our program is import numpy as np, then reading data from text file. So we are going to read the data. We are going to read the data from which file? The file name is data.text. So let me find it. Data.text is file is available or not. I think file is not available. So we can create a text file. Fine. Shall I create it? So how we can create it? Just go to the new sheet here. See, plus sign is showing new file, new folder, like this. So I'm going to click on this new file. Now data dot, otherwise I'm going to change the name. Data, not data. Learn, learn underscore data dot text, text. Got it? Hello? So I'm going to create this file, learn underscore data dot text. Enter, just enter. See, a file is created here. Learn underscore data dot text. Now whatever we write under this file, it will show here. So let me close this file where it is learn data dot text. See this heading, learn data.txt. So I'm going to cut this. Now go to the folder and find it, learn data.txt. Is there any a file name is here? Just try to find it. Learn underscore data here. Hello, you got no? So I'm going to open this file. This is called the text file because we save this file by giving the name learn underscore data dot txt text. Now I am putting some data. Got it? Let's suppose 100, then comma 200, sorry 200, then comma 300, then comma 400, enter 500, comma 600, comma 700, comma 800. So I just put these data under this file and I'm going to save this. Fine. Now I'm going to cut this file. Fine. Okay, go to the this Visual Studio. Now I'm going to change this file here. What is the name of our file? Learn underscore data.txt. Correct? So learn underscore data.txt. This is the file name. Hello? Yes. Now, so our program is import numpy as np, then data equal to np dot load text, and the file name learn underscore data.txt. This is our file name. So if I click on this run button, see, some error is coming. Just hold on. Okay. I think we have to give. Oh, I'm sorry. File and go to the file and numpy. Okay. Okay, let me create an error, then we can solve it. Just run this program. See, error is creating, right? Hello. So now copy this error, entire error, like this. Copy and go to the chat GPT. Fine. Hello. Got it. Go to the chat GPT and paste the entire error like this and ask for the solution. I'm going to ask solution because we get the error. Give solution of this error. See, it's giving the value could not convert string to float. Okay, okay, okay. So, do you understand what is the error? So, basically, I think this comma is showing error. This comma, we put comma in every after the every digit. Hello. So, open the file we created, and remove all the commas. These commas, these commas, these commas, and then this after that, this commas, this commas. Now save the file. Save it. Go to the and just remove this and again run the program. See, just open this file and try to check this. Here 100, 200, 300, 400, then 500, 600, 700, 800. Will it come here? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. And it's give into the form of matrix. Hello? So got it? Why it's create error? Because due to the comma. See, I don't know, we don't know why it's creating the error, but by the use of ChatGPT, we can easily solve it. Here, ChatGPT will help us how to solve the error. Got it? So every time we can use the ChatGPT to solve the problem, to understand the program, to solve the error like this. So just move the next program. So you know how to, you understand how to create a file and how to read the data from the file. You got it? Okay. So after that, let's move for the another program. Now write. Now I want to write something. So we have a file like this. Here, if I want to write some data by using the Python program, how we can write it? We have a program like this. See, import numpy as np array np dot array like this and this thing and give the file name. Just copy this and go to the this. Now I am going to delete this and make this comment because we don't want to run this program this time. We want to write something. By using this program, we read the data. We read only the data. Now by using this program, I can write something in the text file. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And what is the file name? The file name is learn underscore data dot text. So I'm going to change the file name. Learn underscore data dot text. Got it? Hello? So I'm going to run this. Okay, now go to the file and open it. Here, learn underscore data. Just open this. See this, all the values are changed. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Because we write it. We write these things into the learn underscore data dot text. So this is the way we can read the file. This is the way we can write the file. We can write something under the file. Got it? So okay, next now move to the next topic. Now np.gen form text handling missing data. Let's suppose we don't have a file like this, but we are trying to find it. See, if I put this, let me comment this, comment it, paste. Data.np. What is this error? Is not defined. Okay, import control C and then paste. Okay, fine. So np.gen from text data underscore with underscore missing text. Okay, let me run this program. Let's see what happened. Okay, we have something under this file. So where is the file? Just try to data underscore with underscore missing text. Okay. Let me show you under the file. So this is the file name, data underscore with underscore missing dot text file. Where it is? Data here. This is the file, right? Go to the folder and open the file data underscore with underscore missing file. This is the file. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here missing a number is missing here. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. Hello. Which number is missing? Can you tell me where is the missing number? 5 is missing, no? So just I'm going to close this sheet and go to the this. Okay, fine. So run this program. Just simply run this program. See, 5 is missing, so 0 is coming where the data is missing. Got it? Yeah. So this is the way we can get the missing data. So wherever the data is missing, it's put 0. Fine. Yeah, got it. Just move for the next. Now np.save, np.load for binary. There is another file, that is np.y, npy. Okay, just copy this, try for. Okay, import. Sorry. Okay, import numpy as np array, np.array, and then this is the list np.save array underscore data.np. Alright, so we have a file name array underscore data.np. See this. What is the file again? Array underscore data. Array underscore data. Here. Array underscore data. See, this is the file and extension is .npy. I think we are not able to read this file. See, when I open this, it's asked for how do you want to open this. I think we don't have anything to open this file. I'm going to remove this. Let me open under the Python itself. Okay, so this way we can get the data. If we have a file like this np.npy, if this is the format of file, we can read it by using the Python. Got it? If you try to open this, it will not simply open. See this array.np. If I try to click this here, this file is not displayed in a text editor because it is either binary or a uses an unsupported text coding. So we can use Python to read this kind of files. Got it? Okay. Then move to the next. That is, this is the last topic for the NumPy. Then we can move for the pandas. Pandas is very important and very interesting. Got it? If you are not feeling tired, I can continue. If you feel tired, I can stop the class. It's very interesting. You can understand easily, and it's more useful than NumPy. NumPy is used for numerical value only, but pandas is used for numerical as well as the text value. Let's suppose we have an Excel file, we have a text file, and we have a both kind of data no in the file. Let's suppose we have a list of a name and list of the name of age, and then salary. So there is combination of both kind of data, that string value, that is the name, and the numerical value, that is the age and the salary. Got it? Practically we use both kind of data, that is string as well as numerical data. Got it? Hello? Yeah. So pandas is very important as well as very interesting to learn it. So just go through the last program of the NumPy, then we can move to the pandas. So np.save.np.load multi-array compressed. Okay, just copy this program. I'm going to make this comment now. I'm using this import numpy as an np here, and then continue with this program after this part. A equal to np.array, this is the array. B equal to np.array, this is the array. Then np.save data dot npz. This is another format. Here we use np.y. Now np.z, array 1 equal to a, array 2 equal to b, and then simply print that. Again, the Python can read this kind of file, but if you try to read this file manually, we can't do. See this, how we can do that. And data.npz here. See, this file is not displayed in a text editor because it's either binary or a user an unstable text decoding. So we can use this kind of file handling to read this kind of file and the data. Got it? So this is the last program in a NumPy. Let's move for the pandas. So this is a summary of table like np.load text purpose load text file. Load text file like text file, CSV file. CSV file, you know CSV file? 1 minute. Yeah, I'm back. Hello? Yeah, I'm back. Okay, fine. So we learn how to read the file, that is load the file, and the type of file is text file, CSV file. Whatever the data under this text file or CSV file, we can read it using the Python. Save file, that is we can save array to the text file. This way we can save the file. Whenever we write the file, we write something, we can save it. Then np.gen from text, that is load text file with missing data. Whatever the data missing, it will show in form of 0. And then np.save, that is save binary array efficiently, that is np.y, the binary data we can read or write under by using Python. Then np.load, load np.y file, that is if you want to read, we can read it. Also we can read np.z type kind of file. Then np.save, the save multiple array in one file. So we already discussed all the things here. Yeah. So this is the end of NumPy topic. Now we can move to the pandas. going to close this sheet, close this, and open the pandas. So, are you installed the pandas? I think you installed, no?
So I only installed NumPy, I think.
You installed NumPy? No, you can install the pandas also. Just can you try on your screen?
I think I installed Pandas.
Yes. You installed NumPy and pandas at a time on the same day.
I'm installing Pandas in this class.
Sorry,
1 minute.
you want to share your screen?
No.
You don't want to share? No problem. So you already installed because I remember that you installed the pandas and the Python. Oh, sorry, NumPy on the same day in your system. If you want to try, just try it. Yes, just simply write program like this. Here, um, just write this kind of program. Import pandas as PD like this, and then data equal to pd.series. This is a series, and then print data. It will print.
Yeah, I have now Pandas.
Fine, because I remember that you installed both the libraries, NumPy and the pandas. Okay, just
Can we
move on.
start Pandas in the next class?
No problem, no problem. Then we can close this. Fine. Shall I close this?
Yeah.
Okay then. We will meet tomorrow, right? And we will finish the pandas tomorrow itself.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay then. Good night.